Welcome to Learn Yourself. Before starting our exercise, let us revise the congruence criteria for the triangle. So there are four basic congruence criteria. First is SSS, second is SAS, third is ASA and RHS congruence criteria. So SSS criteria suggests that when there are two triangles named ABC and DEF, then three sides are equal in measure, then three sides of one triangle are equal to three corresponding side of other triangle. So these two sides, and these two sides are equal in measure in both of this triangle, then they are following side congruence criteria, and they both are congruent with each other. Second criteria is, as name suggests, side angle side. So angle is sandwiched between two sides. That is very important to note here. If there are two triangles, then we are picking up these two sides which are equal, and these two sides which are equal, then this angle in between two sides should be equal, then only these two triangles are following side angle side criteria. Suppose we are changing the combination, then these two sides and these two sides are equal, then in between these two sides this angle will be equal, then also they are following side angle side criteria. So two sides, and in between two sides one angle should be there. And another possible combination is these two sides are equal and this angle in between them. So these two triangles are following side angle side criteria. The next is angle side angle criteria. Angle side angle criteria. So here side is in between two angles. If these two triangles are equal as per the angle side angle criteria, then two angles are equal like this, and in between two angle one side is equal, then only they are following angle side angle criteria. Then the last one is right angle hypotenuse and one side congruence criteria. So right angle, so definitely two triangles should be right angle. After that, the hypotenuse measure is equal. If this is 3 centimeter or 8, if this is 8 centimeter, then this hypotenuse length also should be 8 centimeter. And one more side from this two side will be equal. In that case, this right angle triangles are following right angles are equal, hypotenuse is equal, and one more side is equal. Then right angle hypotenuse side criteria, as per this criteria, this two triangles are congruent with each other. Now let us go back to our exercise. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? So they have given us three things which are equal to each other. So this is AC. AC is this line segment and it is equal to DF. So it is equal to the other triangles DF line segment, and then AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF. So BC is equal to EF. So there are three sides of ABC triangle is equal to the three sides of DEF triangle, and as per this criteria, the three sides of one triangle are equal to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So this criteria is known as side criteria. So this criteria is known as side congruence criteria, because three sides of triangle ABC is in congruence with the three sides of DEF. Second question. Given ZX equals to RP. So let us locate ZX. ZX is equal to RP. RQ is equals to ZY. RQ is equals to ZY. Angle PRQ. Angle P, R and Q. So we are talking about this angle. Angle R is equal to angle XZY. Angle X, Z and Y. So we are talking about this angle. So two sides are equal and one angle Here we have to check this criteria where two side and one angle is there, but one angle has to be sandwiched between two sides, so it is considered as side angle side criteria. So yes, it is side angle side criteria. If we are looking in this figure, then these two sides, this side, and in between this angle. So in between two side, one angle is there. So this is as per the side angle side criteria, in which this is the criteria that two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle. So included between them means the angle should be in between two sides of triangle are equal to two corresponding sides and angle. Corresponding means this is a corresponding. This is a correspondence that RP is equal to ZX. So this is known as correspondence. And the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So as per the SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Third question, C. Given angle MLN. So MLN, MLN, so we are talking about this angle, is equal to FGH. FG and H. So we are talking about this angle. Then another angle NML. So we are talking about this angle. And GFH. So we are talking about this angle. If you have a problem locating the angles, then just check the middle of the alphabet, that angle we are talking about. Okay, so these angles we are talking about and they are corresponding with each other. Now one more side, that is ML. This side is equal to FG, this side. So two angles and one side. So this is congruent as per our angle side angle criteria if side is in between two angles. So let us check that. This is a side in between two angles. So yes, these two triangles are congruent as per the angle side angle criteria. And what is the criteria? This is the criteria. So these two triangles are congruent with each other as per the angle side angle criteria. Our fourth question, D. Given EB equals to DB. So let us locate EB. They have already given us the sign that these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, and one angle is equal. So here let us check the RHS criteria. What is RHS criteria? R suggests us that it is right angle. H stands for hypotenuse. And S suggests for one of the side out of two sides. So one side of right angle triangle. So yes, this is a hypotenuse of both the triangle. Then this we are talking about, that is right angle triangle. So that right angle is there in both the triangle and one side. So here side is there and here side is there. So this two triangles are congruent with each other as per the RHS criteria. What is that criteria? So this is the criteria. So our answer is going to be, the criteria is RHS. Exercise 7.2, question number 2. You want to show that triangle ART is congruent with PEN as per the figure. If you have to use SSS criteria, then you need to show. So here our criteria is fixed that we are showing SSS criteria as per this. Three sides of both the triangle has to be equal to each other and they have to be congruent with each other. So let us take first. So AR has to be equal to, if we are talking about this side, then it has to be equal to PE because that side is congruent with AR. Then second, RT. So RT should be equal to EN. Then third is AT. So AT is equals to PN. As per the congruency, this is side, side, side criteria and the corresponding sides are equal in this. Exercise 7.2, question number 2. If it is given that angle T is equal to angle N and you are using SAS criteria. SAS criteria suggests us that side, angle and side are congruent with each other in this two triangle. So they have said that angle T and angle N. So angle T and angle N are equal. Now if we are proving the congruency of this two triangle as per SAS, then we require two more side and that has to be on either side of angle because it is SAS. So either side of angle. So if this is a angle, then the AT side has to be equal with PN side and RT side has to be equal with EN side. Then only it is going to be side angle side criteria. The angle has to be sandwiched between two sides. Then only this criteria we can prove. So let us answer the questions. First is RT. RT is going to equal to EN. And second, PN is going to equal to AT. Our third question, if it is given that AT equals to PN, so AT is this side is equal to this side, AT equals to PN, and you are using ASA criteria. Now ASA criteria suggests us that it is angle side angle. So two of the angles are congruent and one of the side is congruent in these two triangles, but side has to be sandwiched between two angles. So if this is a side, then either side two angles should be equal. The corresponding angles should be equal like this on either side. So angle A has to be equal to angle P and angle T has to be equal to angle N. So first thing we need here is angle A has to be equal to angle P, and second thing angle T has to be equal to angle N. Already one side is equal and we require two more angle to follow this criteria, that is angle side angle. So on either side of this side, that side has to be sandwiched between two angles. So those angles are angle A and angle T for this triangle. Now the corresponding angles. So angle A, angle P has to be equal and angle T and angle N has to be equal. Exercise 7.2, question number 3. You have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. So here in the figure we can see that triangle AMP, this is one triangle, and second triangle is this, that is AMQ. This both triangle is having one common side in between them. So in the following proof, supply the missing reason. So here we have to write the reason that why these two sides are equal to each other, why these two angles are equal to each other, again these two sides, and why because of all this these two triangles are congruent to each other. So we have to give here reasons for this. So let us start with the first thing. One by one we will take. The first one is PM is equal to QM. Let us locate PM. Here as per the sign, this PM and QM, they both are equal. This both equal sign shows that PM is equal to QM. So here I am going to write that as per the figure or as per the given in the figure. So given in the figure. Now second step, angle PMA. So angle PMA. So in between M is there, so we are talking about M angle. So here we can see a sign that here sign is there, and second angle is QMA. So in between M is there, so we are talking about M angle again. And here in the figure we can see that two equal signs are there, that these two angles are equal. So this is also given in the figure. So we will write here given in the figure. Now third one, AM is equal to AM. So yes, obviously AM is equal to AM because it is a common side for both the triangle. So it is a common side. And here we can see that side angle side. So here one side is there, this angle, and again one more side. So as per SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent with each other. So yes, as per SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent with each other. And this is how we are going to write in a notebook that this 3 we can get it from the figure as per the signs indicate in the figure, and which criteria is it following, that is very important to write. So at last we are going to mention that these two triangles are congruent and it is as per SAS criteria. Exercise 7.2, question number 4. Triangle ABC, angle A is 30 degree, B is 40 degree and C is 110 degree. So let us mark this triangle as triangle ABC. A is 30 degree, B is 40 degree and C is 110 degree. Now in triangle PQR, the another triangle we are writing here, that is PQR, and the same angles are there, that 30 degree, 40 degree and 110 degree. A student says that these two triangles are in congruence with each other by AAA congruence criteria. Is he justified? Why or why not? So we know that AAA criteria, two triangles with equal corresponding angles need not to be congruent. In such a correspondence, one of them can be enlarged copy of other. So the other triangle is just enlarged copy of the other triangle and they are not in congruence with each other. The congruence work for SAS criteria, ASA criteria, RHS criteria and SSS criteria. So this 4 criteria is working for the triangle, whereas angle criteria is not working and side angle criteria is also not working. So we have to remember that this, according to this 4 criteria only, our triangle will be congruent to each other. Exercise 7.2, question number 5. Figure the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT is congruent to which triangle. So we have to identify the correct name here, and that we can do via identifying the correct congruent part or correct corresponding part in this two triangle. First, we are taking the sides. So sides, there are two sides. This sign suggests that these two sides are incongruent with each other. So this side is AT is in congruence with NO. So this is the one side. Then second side we are talking about is this, that is AR as per the sign and WO. These two sides are in congruence with each other. So we will write AR is in congruence with WO. Now we are talking about angles. So first angle we are talking about is, let us take this sign. So with one corner angle that is R and here one corner angle that is W. So angle R is in correspondence with angle W, or we can write the full name of the angle, that is angle TRA is in correspondence with NWO. Then second, two corner angles, that is A and O. So angle A is in correspondence with angle O. And the last one, angle T is in correspondence with angle N. Now how to write the name for the second triangle? So first triangle name they have already given, that is triangle RAT. Now we have to see which angle is corresponding to which angle. So R, it is corresponding to W from the second triangle. Now we are talking about A. A is corresponding to O. So O will come, and the T, it is corresponding to N. So here we got our name, that is WON. So it is corresponding to triangle WON. N. You can also check this name from the sides, but it will be very easy to identify that from the angles. If they have given ART, then we would have written OWN. So like that, the name will change as per the given triangle name. Exercise 7.2, question number 6. Complete the congruence statement. So this is the figure, and as per this figure, we have to complete this congruence statement. Before this, let us revise our congruence criteria. We have 4 criteria, that side, 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 angle, and the last one is right angle, hypotenuse, and one of the side. So from this, which criteria will be fit in for this congruence? Let us check one by one. So first we are taking that in triangle. So here we are considering two triangles. First triangle is this, that triangle BCA, and second triangle is this, that triangle BTA. Always remember that how you are giving name to the first triangle, the same way you have to give the name for the second triangle. So if I am following this pattern, that BCA, then here also I have to follow the same pattern for the name, that in triangle BCA, and the other triangle is BTA. Now let us start writing the congruence criteria. So first I am taking this two side, that side BC and BT, they both are in congruence with each other. Side BC is in congruence with BT. Always remember, the whichever pattern you are following in first triangle, the same pattern you have to follow in second triangle. And this is one of the side, and why we have written this? Because it is given in the figure. The second one is the angle, that angle T and angle C, they both are in congruence with each other. So angle C and angle T. So this is our one of the angle. So these are the angles which are in congruence with each other. And why we have written this? Because it is also given in the figure. Third one, for the third possibility, there are two sides. So first side is as per the given figure, that side AC and side AT. So side AC is in congruence with side AT, and this is another side. And why we have written this? Because it is also given in the figure that both are in congruence with each other. Now one more side we can write here, and that is side BA, and you can mark that this side is a common for both the triangle. So you can write one more side here, but here our criteria is completed, that is side angle side criteria. So as per SAS criteria, this both triangle are in congruence with each other. So our answer will be that triangle BCA is in congruence with triangle BTA. And what is the reason for that? That as per the side angle side criteria. Exercise 7.2, question number 6. Complete the congruence statement. Now here this statement we have to complete. We have four criteria, that side criteria, side angle angle criteria, and right angle, hypotenuse, and side criteria. Whenever we are answering this type of questions and you are not sure about how to write a triangle for the congruence, then always focus on the angles. Angles will give you the correct name. So here by the angles we can write QPT, and the other triangle is QRS. Now let us check the angle congruency. So angle Q is in congruence with angle T, as we can see here. Angle Q and angle T, they both are in congruence with each other. Now second angle. Angle S is in triangle with angle Q. This angle Q is from the second triangle because Q is common for both the triangles. Now the last angle is angle R is in congruence with angle P. So R is in congruence with angle P. Now let us write the congruence statement, that triangle QRS is in congruence with. So Q is in congruence with T. So I am writing here first T. Then R is in congruence with P. So I am writing here P. And the last one is S. So S is in congruence with Q. So now our congruence statement is complete. Exercise 7.2, question number 7. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal area such that the triangles are congruent. Second, the triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their perimeter? So here we are taking first case where they are congruent with each other, So let us give them name A, B, C and P, Q, R. So when these two triangles are in congruence with each other, then their sides will be also in congruence with each other. So corresponding sides are congruent with each other. So here I am writing that AB is equal to PQ, then AC is equal to PR, and the last one that BC is equal to QR. Now, when their sides are equal, their measures are equal, their area also will be equal, and its perimeter and their perimeter will also be equal. So, as per this, so AB plus BC plus CA will give us the exact answer as PQ plus QR plus RP, because their measures will be same and their perimeters will also be same. So here this is the answer, that if two triangles are incongruent with each other, their sides measures will be same and they are having the same perimeters. Now we are checking here second possibility, that the triangles are not congruent. So they are not congruent with each other. So let us give the name to the triangle, that triangle A, B and C. And here we are taking PQR. So they are not congruent with each other, so their sides measure are not equal. So if I am taking AB plus BC plus CA, then it won't be equal to PQ plus QR plus RP, because their sides measures will not be equal as they are not congruent. So their perimeters will not be equal. And so their perimeters will be different. Exercise 7.2, question number 8. Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. So we have to show that 5 pairs are congruent here within this two triangle, but the triangles are not congruent. This can happen only if this 4 criteria, that side, 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 angle, side, angle, and RHS criteria should not be fulfilled in this two triangle. Then only they are not congruent. So let us understand this. So this triangle is ABC and this triangle is PQR. Now here AB side is equal and QR side is equal. BC side is equal and PQ side is equal. And AC side is equal and PR side is equal. Whereas angle A and angle Q is equal, angle B and angle P is equal. So we have marked here 5 criteria, that 3 sides and 2 pairs of angles are congruent with each other, but they are not fitting into any of the criteria side, 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 angle, angle, and RHS. So these two triangles are not congruent with each other. Exercise 7.2, question number 9. If triangle ABC and PQ are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criteria did you use? So here we have to check the criteria which will fulfill the congruency of this two triangle. Now here what all criteria we have? Side, 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 angle, angle, and the last one is right angle, hypotenuse and side. So let us check first for the right angle, hypotenuse and side, because this is a right angle. So here right angle is there. So yes, first criteria is fulfilled, that right angle is there. Then we required hypotenuse. This hypotenuse has to be equal. So that we can write, because we have to name only one. So hypotenuse we can name it, but we required one more side if we need this criteria to fulfill. So if we want to use this RHS criteria, then we require two other criteria to be fulfilled. But here we have to name only one. So RHS criteria won't work in this two triangle. So we have to find out other criteria from this three which will work out for this two triangle. So let us see what they have given to us. So they have given us one angle. So we have one angle here. Then second angle. So another angle they have given. So two angles we have. So it can fit into this criteria, that angle side angle. Now for angle side angle, we required one side to be equal in both the triangle, which side is in between two angles. So we have to guess that which side it will be. So obviously the side which is in between these two angles will be our third criteria, which has to be equal for angle side angle criteria. So we are going to write here that BC is equal to RQ so that it will follow angle side angle criteria. So these two things have been already given into the figure. Now what we are adding here is side BC is in congruence with side RQ. So these two triangles will be in congruence with each other as per angle side angle criteria. Exercise 7.2, question number 10. Explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Now what all things they have given here? They have given that angle B is in congruence with angle E. So one angle we have here. Then one side, that BC side, is in congruence with DE side. So BC side is in congruence with DE side. So one side we have, and then angle A and angle F. So angle A and angle F is in congruence with each other, but this side is not in between these two angles. So angle side angle criteria we cannot write here because all the conditions of angle side angle criteria is not fulfilling here. So we have to think about other criteria. Now these things have been given to us as per the figure. Now we know that as per the angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Now again, for another triangle, we know that angle D plus angle E plus angle F will also be equal to 180 degree. Now, as per the figure, we can write that angle B is equal to angle E. So we can write that angle B is equal to angle E, and which two other angle are equal? Angle A and angle F. So angle A is equal to angle F, and this is according to the figure. Let us first understand the numerical and then I'll show you how to write in a notebook. Now these two angles measures are same. So can I write like this, that angle A plus angle B will be equal to angle E plus angle F. Why I have written this? Because B is 90 degree, we know that it is 90 degree, E is also 90 degree. Suppose A is 40 degree and F is also 40 degree. So their summation will be equal, that 90 plus 40, 90 plus 40. So that's why I have written here that these two angles summation will be equal. Now, as per this two equation, can I modify this equation like angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree minus angle C? So here A plus B equals to 180 degree minus angle C. I am substituting into this equation. So my equation here will be 180 degree minus angle C, that I have written at the place of A plus B from this equation. Now equals to, same way from this equation I am writing that angle E plus angle F equals to 180 degree minus angle D. Now as you can see in this equation, 180 degree I can cancel it out from both the sides. This minus sign also will be cancelled out from both sides. So angle C will be equal to. So another criteria we got here, that another third angle, that one more angle is equal in this two triangles. So now we have one more angle, that angle C is in congruence with angle D. So this angle is equal to angle D. So now as per the angle side angle criteria. So which three criteria we are taking into consideration? That this angle, then this side and this angle. Into this angle B, then this side and another angle, which just now we have proved that they both are equal. So as per this criteria, this is angle side angle, in which the side is in between two criteria, and here we are not using this criteria. We are not using this, we are using this angle, this side and this side and this angle. So angle side angle criteria will be fit into this. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.